how to cancel your subscription on affordablehousing.com. On the home page, click on your Profile tab in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, click on My Plan and Payment. Once here, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom of your page, you'll see the Cancel My Plan button. Click on this button. A pop-up screen will appear. You'll first be asked why you want to cancel your premium plan. You have the option of adding your own specific reason. Once you're ready, click Next. On the next page, we'd like to share a bunch of useful features that affordablehousing.com offers. Before you go, take a minute to learn more about these features and decide whether or not you'd like to continue canceling your plan or whether you'd like to learn more. If you'd still like to cancel, click Continue to Cancel. On the next page, you'll see all the premium benefits that you will lose once your plan is canceled. The date that these benefits end are also the end date of your paid subscription. Here you can decide whether or not you'd like to keep your plan or if you'd like to cancel. If you still want to cancel, click Cancel My Plan.